SolidWorks allows for the use of both solids and surfaces as you model your parts. This capability allows for quite a bit of design flexibility and gives rise to one particularly useful technique: cutting solids with surfaces. In this example, I have a solid block and a surface that extends through the solid. I'm going to use this surface to cut the block and have it create a complex, curved shape on top. You can do this using the Cut with Surface icon on the Surfaces toolbar. I'll select the surface as the cutting tool and use the direction arrow to specify which side of the surface should be cut away. I'll be cutting away the top portion of the block. I'll click OK and the cut is complete. Because both the face of the solid and the surface overlap, I get interesting colors showing through. To clean this up, I'll simply hide the surface body. Notice that I can't delete the surface, otherwise the cut will be deleted as well. Another way to cut a solid with a surface is to use the Thickened Cut feature. Earlier, we saw how Thicken could be used to convert a surface into a solid. The Thickened Cut feature also appears on the Surfaces toolbar. I'll select the same feature as before. When you do this, SolidWorks will prompt you to select which bodies to keep. I'll click OK, and the cut is complete.